Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make banana peel fertilizer. Now what's that? Banana peel fertilizer, definitely it will be with the banana peels. Why do we have to make that? Now when we start thinking of growing anything organically, the first thing comes to our mind is making of compost. We have already discussed about aerobic composting and vermicomposting. So the compost, when we say, that is a rich source of nitrogen, but as and when the plant grows, it needs more of phosphorus and potash also to bear flowers and fruits. So those requirement of the plant we have to supplement with these things. As you all know, banana is a rich source of magnesium, phosphorus, potash and calcium. So after eating the bananas, sometimes the overripe bananas also we can use for this process. So today I'll be telling you how to make it with 1 liter of water. So depending on the number of plants you have, you can multiply that. Okay. So just take a simple container, add 1 liter of water, and just 50 to 60 grams of jaggery and 2 to 3 banana peels, or if you have overripe bananas also, that also you can put inside that. Make sure after putting that you mix it well. Okay. This, once you have mixed it well, you cover it with any lid and keep it aside for a week. Every day you have to open this and with some stick or something you have to mix it well, again keep it aside. So after a week you will see the liquid looks something like this. In this all the pulps and everything has become slimy and no more you can see how thin the skin and all it has become. So all the things, whatever it was there in the peels, it has got dissolved in the water. Now we'll take any strainer and you'll strain the liquid whatever you have made. Okay. Suppose we have collected this much. So the ratio in which we have to give it to your plants is 1 part of this liquid. Okay. And this has to be diluted 4 times. So we'll take 4 parts of water. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once this is diluted properly, we can fill it in any of the bottle. And make sure whenever you want to give this to your plants, you just have holes on the cap, because with the normal sprayer, if you put this, small fibers are there in the liquid which might block the nozzle. So make sure this is an easy method. Just do that and give it to your plants whichever are in the flowering and fruiting stage. This, if you give your plants, suppose they are in the flowering stage, so every 15 days if you give this to your plant, so they'll be rich, as you all know, it's a rich source of phosphorus, potash, calcium and magnesium. So that all only the plant needs at that age. The growing, it's already grown actually, and now it's the stage of bearing flowers and fruits. So this can be used for any of your veggies or vegetables what you are growing, your fruits, your flowers, all plants you can use it, and it's a very rich source of everything which your plants needs. So try making this. Any doubts, you can comment it on my link. I'll try to answer. So it's a very rich source of everything. So for nitrogen, as you people are making composting, for other things, this is banana peel fertilizer. Thank you for joining me. So namaste.